Okay, welcome back. Today we are going to learn the now we are going to continue. We are going to look at the Igbo consonants, which is Mgbochiume Igbo. So Mgbochiume is called consonant in Igbo. Mgbochiume is called consonant in Igbo. Then we now have 28 consonants, which is 28 in Igbo means iri abụọ na asatọ. Iri abụọ means what? 20. Asatọ is 8. So iri, we will still do numbers, Igbo numbers. So when the time comes, that's why you need to subscribe to this channel and click on that bell icon. So anytime we release videos, you will be notified. So look at Mgbochiume Igbo, which is consonants. There are 28 in number. That is the consonant sound in Igbo alphabet. We have them here. They are B, Sh, They, Fe, Ge, We, Ge, We, He, Je, Ke, We, We, Le, Me, Ne, Nge, Mwe, Nye, Pi, Re, Si, Shi, Ti, Vi, We, Ye, Z. So that is how it's called. So those ones you are seeing in bracket is their small letters. Those ones you are seeing in bracket is their small letters. So let me read it again. 28 Igbo consonants, which is Mgbochiume Igbo. Okay, let me read them again. B, which is B, She, They, Fe, Ge, We, Ge, We, He, Je, Ke, We, Li, Me, Ne, Nye, Mwe, Ni, Pi, Re, Si, Shi, Ti, Vi, We, Ye, Z. So that is that. So the above consonants are written both in their capital and small letters, as I explained, and they were arranged in a way that the two-lettered consonant, as Mgbochiume Mkpe, you can see the Mgbochiume Mkpe, which is two-lettered consonant. Mgbochiume Mkpe. In those letters, you see them too. Like you see K, W, they are Mgbochiume Mkpe. Mkpe means that they are double. The letters are double. Mgbochiume Mkpe. It means that the letters are two. That is, they are double. Alright, so Mgbochiume Mkpe are written in a way that after the introduction or writing of G, which is We, followed before Gi and We. It is so because while writing the Igbo alphabet, B comes before He and We. Alright, so that's that. Then we'll have this one. P comes before We in the alphabet, as in the case of Kwe, which is Kepi, Kwe. Then we have KW, which is Kwe. We have and W, which is We, comes before Ye. Ye is Y. Ye in We and Ni as well. Okay. Okay, that's that. We now have Mbochume Nge, which is monotongue. You can see monotongue in your English. We have it in Igbo as well. Mbochume Nge, which is monotongue. They are 19 in number. Iri na itoru. Iri means 10. Itoru means 9. If you don't call 9 itoru, you can refer to it as iteyete, as has been saying in dictionary. The monotongue, they are 19 in number, which is they are be, de, fi, ge, he, je, ke, li, mi, ni, P, re, si, ti, vi, wi, yi, zi. So these are the monotongues we have. They will now have Mbochume Mpe, that is double consonant, or you can call them digraph. Double consonant, you can call them digraph. There are 9 in number, which is Itolu. We have them there as those ones in bracket are the small letter format of it. Of them, we have she, we, ge, we, ni, she. Chicken. So that's that. So you can repeat this video as often as possible for you to let's leave this one. Next time we look at Nyiru Daume. Alright, so if you want to learn Igbo, you can still contact us. We'll teach you how to read and understand Igbo. We found out that some Igbo people don't even know how to speak their language, which is very bad. So if you are such people and you want to learn, contact us on +234 8133 577465, or you can comment and ask your question. We'll be glad to respond to your question as fast as possible. Then I'll slap this thing.